It's so cold out today. Oh, I can't believe it. So of that, I'm getting old now. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to see if I can start the old Morris Minor up. Really cold out here. Cold start of the Morris Minor today. I haven't run it for about a week now, so I don't know if it'll go or not, but I think the battery's getting a bit low on it, so anyway, we'll see how we get on. But yeah, if I can get the door open, it might be frozen shut. Anyway, let's give it a go. Oh, I've got my infrared thermometer here, so -3 now. It's -4 earlier, but still -4. There you go. -4, cold start up, hopefully, of the Morris Minor. Door's frozen. My door's frozen. Can't get in. Right. We have success. I've just got to get my disc lock off, I think, and then I'll see if it'll start. Full choke. Oh, just about went. Battery's quite low. I haven't run it for quite a while now. See what the old pressure is. Yeah, got a good old pressure. I suppose the wipers will go. No. Well, there you go, cold start up. 1964 Morris Minor. Can't do much else in this cold weather in this lockdown. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that little video, and I'll catch you on the next one.